you have a favorite piece of furniture that you want to bring back to life? Or how about a completely custom piece built from scratch? Look no further. It's our passion to bring furniture to life. We combine top quality carpentry with a design that matches your aesthetic, whatever it may be. The final product is beautiful, heirloom quality furniture that you'll absolutely love for years and even decades to come. From the ground up, a complete refinish or a simple repair, we can do it all. Call us or come into the shop. We would be more than happy to discuss your next furniture project.